Hello and welcome back to assembly language programming. In this video, I'll show how to write assembly language program to convert ASCII to binary code. So, we all know 8085 takes only hexadecimal numbers. So, whatever be the binary value, we have to give it in hexadecimal. So, the hexa numbers from 0 to 9, take ASCII values for 0. For 0, it is 30. For 1, it is 31. So on. For 9, it is 39. Similarly, for A, it is 41. B is 42. So on. F is 41. So to get ASCII value for any hexadecimal number, for less than A, numbers less than A, that is from 0 to 9, we have to add 30. So if you see 30 plus 0, 30, 30 plus 1, 31. So 30 plus 9, 39. If it is greater than A, we have to add 37. So 37 plus A will give you 41. I'll show with an example. So 37. So write the binary equivalent 0, 0, 1, 1. For 7, it is 0, 1, 1, 1. A 0, 0, 0. A is 10. That is 1, 0, 1, 0. Add 1, 1 plus 1, 0 with the carry 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 1, 1 plus 0, 1, 0. This is nothing but 4 and this is 1. So, for 0A, if we add 37, we got this ASCII value. So for A, it is 41. So for numbers less than A, we have to add 30. For hexadecimal numbers greater than A, add 37. So common is 30, right? So in both the cases, this is number plus 30. This is plus 37. 30 plus 7. So in the reverse process, that is to convert ASCII to binary, first we have to subtract 30 because 30 is common for all the numbers. Subtract 30 and then after that you check that the number is less than A or greater than A. If it is less than A, after subtraction, whatever be the result, that is the answer. But if it is greater than A, you have to subtract 0.7. Because we are adding 37 to get the ASCII values of numbers greater than A, the subtraction also we have to subtract 37. So let us write the program and then check. We'll take an example and then check whether the program executes correctly or not. So LEA 8500. SUI 30, immediately we have to subtract 30. After the subtraction, we have to compare with A. So to check whether it is less than A or greater than A. If it is less than A, that will be the answer. So store that immediately in memory location. If it is greater than A, if there is no carry, obviously the number will be greater than 0A. Then we have to subtract 0.7 from it. So let us take two examples and check. So first we'll consider 38 ASCII value. Now load immediately accumulator the value that is in 8500, that is 38. So now your accumulator consists of 38. Subtract immediately 30 from the contents of accumulator. So accumulator contains 38 minus 30. So we'll do the subtraction. To subtract, we have to convert into binary and subtract. We should not subtract directly. 38, 30. Equivalent of 3. 0, 0, 1, 8, 3, 0. Subtract 0, 0, 0, 1, 1 minus 1, 0, 1 minus 1, 0, 0, 0. So this is nothing but 0. This is 8. So 38 minus 30 we got as 8. So after the comparison, we got 8 in the accumulator. Now, CPI 08, that is, subtract immediately 08 minus 08 and check whether there is carry or not. If we subtract 08 minus 08, because this is a greater number, this is a smaller number, obviously there will be a carry. So if there is carry, immediately store that is in the accumulator 28501. What is in the accumulator? 08. Now 8501 contains 08. Hard. So if we give 38 in 8500, the ASCII value 38, we got answer as 08. So that is for 8 ASCII value is 38. We got the answer. Now let us take one more example. 8500 we consider as 42. Now again repeat the procedure. If I repeat the procedure, load 8500 in the accumulator. Now accumulator we have taken as 42. Subtract immediately 30 from 42. So 42 minus 30. Let us go and perform the binary subtraction. 42 minus 30. 4, 0, 1, 0, 0. 2, 0, 0, 1, 0. 30, 0, 0, 1, 1, and 0, 0, 0. Perform the subtraction. 0, 1, 0, 0. So we have to get borrow because there are zeros. If it comes here, it becomes 1. And if it comes here, it becomes 1, 0. 1, 0 minus 1 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. Because we already borrowed, here it will become 0, 0, 0. What is the equivalent? This is 1. This is 2. 12. So we got 12 as answer. So now it contains 12 accumulator. Now compare immediately with 0A. That means it performs the subtraction. So 12 minus 0A. 12 is nothing, not 12, it is 1, 2. 1, 2 is obviously greater than A, because if you take the hexadecimal numbers, you can write from 0 to 9, A to F, and then 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, and so on. So 1, 2 is obviously greater than A. Then, is there carry? If there is carry, we have to jump here, because in the subtraction, there is no carry. You have to subtract 0, 7 from the contents of accumulator. Accumulator contains 12. So perform 12 minus 0, 7. So take 12 and 0, 7. 0, 0, 0, 1, 2, 0, 0, 1, 0. 0, 0, 0, 0, 7, 0, 1, 1, 1. So I can perform the subtraction. So I can perform the subtraction. So here we have to borrow. Then it becomes 1, 0 minus 1, 1. Right? And this becomes 0. Now we have to get 1 from here. So if we get 1 from here, this becomes 1, this becomes 1, and this becomes 1, 0. So this becomes 0. So 1, 0 minus 1, 1. 1 minus 1, 0. 1 minus 0, 1. 0 minus 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So this is 0. This is 8 plus 2 plus 1. 8 plus 2, 10 plus 11. 11 is nothing but B. So we have taken 42 as the ASCII value in 8500. And here we got answer as 0B. So 0B ASCII value is 42. So we got the answer. So this is the procedure. This is the assembly language program to convert ASCII to binary code conversion. LDA obviously is 3A 0085. SUI 30, D6 30, CPI 0A, FE 0A, JC, DA, and loop is going to here. So that will be 0C80. We start with 8,000. SUI 07, D6, 07, 32, 01, 85, all 76. So that is the ASCII to binary conversion. Step number 1, step number 2, step number 3, and step number 4. Take ASCII value, subtract 30. Compare with 0A. If there is carry, whatever in the accumulator, that is the result. If there is no carry, subtract 07, then whatever the result that comes from the accumulator, that stores in the accumulator, that will be binary value. So that is the, so I have explained with the taking two examples. One is 38, which is the ASCII value of 8, and 42, which is ASCII value of 0B. I hope you all understood. Please do watch video for uploading and execution of the program. Thank you.